Welcome, dear creatives. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a bird cage veil brim hatinator. So in this class, I'll be using crinoline to embellish, and I'll be using my two-in-one rose, my felt cap. I'll be using this nail polish white, my ribbon. I'll be needing some pegs, and of course my nets. Then I'll be using my UHU glue, and then my needle and thread. And of course my millinery wire. So the size of my millinery wire is 34 inches. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to join the two ends of this wire. You can use your paper tape to join it. You can use your thread. I'll be using my thread in this case. So I'll tie it until it is firm and then I'll cut. Okay, I didn't mention the size of my net is 1 yard, 36 inches, but I won't use it up eventually. Okay, so please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on my weekly DIY videos. So now I'm done tying. The next thing I'm going to do is to paint with my white nail polish. I'll paint this millinery wire, okay, and then I'll allow it to get dried. Now there are other ways you can coat your wire. You can cover up your wire, so please watch closely. You can see how I'm arranging or I'm attaching my net, my birdcage veil, to my wire. I'll be holding it down using my peg, okay, and then when I'm done with that, I'll start stitching. So please watch carefully. This part is very important because this is more like your brim. We're forming the brim, so keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So the next thing I'm going to do is to stitch round. As I stitch, I will drag, more like running stitches, but the gap in between shouldn't be that much. Just watch closely and see how I'm going to achieve that, okay? Please note that I'm targeting the intersection. Can you see that point where the various holes meet? Not the hole, oh. Yes, not the hole. This particular point where they meet, they intersect. That's where you will sew, okay? So watch and learn, practicalize. So this is what I'll do until I get to the end. So I'm done. This is what we have, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do now is to work on my felt by attaching it to my brim, so the base of my fascinator. So but before I do that, I would have to stitch the center, okay? I need to stitch everything together so that it will be firm. And then I'm going to stitch the sides where I joined the two nets together. Feel free to use glue to attach yours, but I'm actually stitching it because apart from I want it to be firm, I would also be covering that part, okay? So, but you can also use glue to neatly attach them together. I mean the two sides that you joined together on your veil, okay? So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So I'll just go ahead and tie and then cut off the excess thread. The next thing I'm going to do is to attach my crown, which in this case is my felt, okay? Also called bishop cap, aka Pope Bishop cap. Okay, so fine. So this video is quite long, so please endeavor to watch the part 2 where we'll complete the fascinator. So, but then we're done with the brim, our bird cage veil hatinator brim. So after I place my felt cap on the position I want it, I will now use my peg to hold down the veil, to attach the veil to the felt cap before I start stitching. Okay, so feel free to use a clip that you have if you don't want to use the peg. But now I'm going to stitch around using my needle and my thread, of course a matching thread. So just watch how I'm going to do this. But so that the video will not be extremely long, I will not cover every part that I will stitch. I will not show it here, but I'm going to show you how I'll achieve that. At least it will guide you to do yours till the end. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. Also, don't forget to watch the part 2 of this video because this video is quite long. So you're just watching and you have not subscribed. Why? Why have you not subscribed? Hit the subscribe button. Also share. Also turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on my weekly DIY videos. Okay? Please subscribe. Please subscribe and share so that it will reach other people. So I will be encouraged to do more DIYs. So I'll do this round.